Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Exness to MT5. Alright, let's begin. First, open the MT5 platform. Click on File in the top left corner, and then select Open an Account. In the search bar, type Exness. You'll see a list of Exness servers, such as Exness Lelid or Exness Technologies. Choose the one that matches your account. Once selected, click Next. On the next screen, choose Connect with an existing trade account. Enter your login details, your Exness account number, and password. Next, select the correct server linked to your account. Make sure you choose the one Exness provided when you created your account, as selecting the wrong server will prevent the connection. After you've entered everything correctly, click Finish. MT5 will then connect to your Exness account, and you'll be able to start trading, monitor your positions, and manage your portfolio right inside the platform. Always double-check that your server and credentials are accurate, as login errors are usually caused by minor mistakes in these fields. So that's basically how you can connect Exness to MT5. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.